Hey guys, welcome into another episode. We're gonna break down what happened today. So this has turned into a very crazy week. Like we're now seeing some serious displacement to the downside. ES monthly candle is looking ugly. You see, ES is now tapping into its ES is now tapping into a monthly. We've seen NQ tap into its monthly FEG um, last week, I believe it was, and then now we see ES doing the same thing. So, uh, pretty crazy times out there. We'll just see what happens in here. Obviously, we don't take a long position out of here, but it just helps confirm a higher time frame bias. So we just got to be aware of this. Let's go check out the weekly chart. Weekly chart. I think this is where ES is obviously drawing to at least 4370 now. So I know like today I was like, oh we're here at 4400. Well, let's go look at NQ first. NQ obviously was drawing towards 14850, and you see we got that today, and now we got no displacement up. So when I like give a target and say we're going somewhere, it doesn't mean that's going to be the reversal spot. That's just the area where I know price is definitely going to deliver to. It doesn't mean, oh, that's going to be the bottom and then reverse. Like we just know price is going here. So I just hope people don't get that confused. It's not a prediction for a reversal or anything like that. It's literally just we know price is at least going there. If we don't get a move up, we look at the next potential areas, which to me looks like this big liquidity pool sitting down here. You see all these 4-hour lows sitting here, and then if we go to NQ on the weekly, this happens to be weekly equal lows here, or they're up by like 5 points, but I mean for a weekly candle, that's pretty damn close. Plus, we have this little volume imbalance sitting right here. So, very possible we could be drawing two of that, or we could just be waiting for ES to take out 4370. Because if you look, let's, now we'll go down to our daily times. You see, NQ took these lows right here, the 850 lows, and then ES has yet to take those same lows, which would be the 4370. So we didn't get it in SMT. In SMT would have been NQ takes the lows, ES doesn't take these lows, but it still carries both of them back up. So we're not getting that. So it looks like ES is for certain going to take this 4370 level uh, overnight or into tomorrow. I do expect some kind of relief tomorrow. Like I said, we'll have to see. But going from there, yeah, I mean, uh, straight ugly today. I mean, like, nothing on the higher time frame suggested we were going higher. You see, like, all this from this morning. Remember last night I said these overnight last night, and in the video I said, oh, I mean, it's pretty easy. Just watch these 4 hours tonight. This is gonna tell us where we're going next. If we were going higher, we were gonna go up and test those 44.65 equal highs. Which, speaking of that, ES it has left equal highs at 44.15 and 44.27. Just an area to keep an eye on whenever we turn back around, because price is obviously going to draw there. But until like we see higher time frame PD arrays, FEGs being uh, you know violated, then we can switch to a bullish. But I mean, as of right now, still bearish. I am not looking for shorts this low. That I will say that right now. Like we're too low to be looking for a shorts, because what you can see, you've seen what exactly happened today. Today was a great example. We use NQ because NQ is a little more clean with it. Remember, I've been showing you that the retrace into a premium, and then this got a lot of people today. Remember, we wanted these 853 lows. Remember yesterday we almost took the lows, and then we ended up reversing first all the way up, and then we hit the, where was it? Was it deep here? Okay, I'm not gonna waste your time with that, but they're up there. Uh, but you see, we take our fib. This was everyone was after uh everyone was after these lows today, which I mean it's pretty obvious. It's a 4-hour low, it's a daily low. Like it's an obvious draw for liquidity, and we got so close, and we never got it. And you see what happens. A lot of people got bullish here. A lot of people got into calls, and hopefully they were able to take profit. But you see, like all this was a retrace back into a premium. So above the point 0.5 fib, we ran into there. This was an hourly and a 15 fair value. You see, we barely ticked it, and then straight displacement back down. So yeah, for tomorrow, like I said, I'm just watching 4370 for ES, and then we'll be looking back up to 4400 for ES. NQ, uh, pretty much the same thing. Just waiting on ES and to see what happens. So today I had one play. I gave an options play today because Rock was out. So that was a little different, but I'll go over exactly what happened. So I wish we would have held those puts a lot longer because can you guess where we took puts at? We took puts at the very top today. So remember I said if Q and NQ, obviously because they're going to follow each other, if they violated this fair value gap right here, we close below it. You can buy the retest, and then you enter shorts here. Your close is up here, so you're looking at a 362.50 entry, we'll call it, and then like your is only like 25 cents. So like that's good risk reward. And look at you could have held all this, but I mean we got out right here at these daily lows. So I said take Q puts here, and we trimmed at these lows, and then I said, and then we came to this 15-minute fair value right here, and I said if we close below this, hold for a low of day. Because if you look right here, there's nothing that's going to stop this price from going lower. Price wanted to go lower. So why did I take that 3 minute? I took that 3 minute because this was the same candle that was rejecting. It was the same candle that was rejecting this hourly FVG right here. So the hourly rejects, and then we violate a smaller time frame fair value, the 3 minute right here, and then and then we obviously got our trim. 15 breaks. That's more confirmation we can hold this trade until probably low of day. I mean, I wish we could have held for all this, but I mean, this is a great spot to take your profit because no one could have like predicted this. I mean, it would have been a straight guess. We could easily reverse back up here too. So, um, clean trade. It defines ICT perfectly. Uh, with that, hope you guys took that trade. If you didn't, maybe you have a little tool to use now in the future. But with that, I think I'm good here.